Just a tad bit further, you can see where we were at 5 o'clock, that business over there, Treme Restaurant. As you can see, it's completely blown open. As I'm talking about the doors, because of all the heavy water that has been pushed in, that's knocked the door off the hinges. And that has been the case ever since we've been out here since around 3 o'clock. A lot of folks are traveling in the water. Over here we have a bicyclist who's trying to at least get to his destination, literally trying to get home. We did speak to another bicyclist just after the 5 o'clock show ended, and instead he was just devastated to actually try to move in this rainstorm because of how high the water level is. Now, another thing that we're noticing out here is that a lot of debris is slowly moving down Orleans Avenue. We're actually seeing a little ice chest actually floating here on the road where the water currently is. A lot of debris out here. That is what we're experiencing moving here. Now, the theme for some folks who live here along Orleans Avenue is pretty much the same thing. They're saying that this reminds them of Hurricane Katrina.